Just like the phrase, the flavor of the season, this is what we deal with every season. That is the apocalypse. This is the crisis of the season that we speak of when we speak of the national capital. Yes, Delhi reels under the massive air pollution even now, with thick fog having completely engulfed the region. Now, the national capital registered an AQI of over 400 at several locations. Air quality slipped into severe category. The worsening pollution was visible from the early hours as dense smog, along with dropping temperature, engulfed large parts of Delhi, reducing the very visibility sharply. Now, top court has now taken note of the rising pollution. Supreme Court slammed Delhi NCR government, saying that states won't take measures until the court passed orders, and posted the hearing for Wednesday. Now, the Chief Justice of India, on the other hand, has also advised virtual hearing through the hybrid mode. Prime Minister Modi's departure flight for the three-nation tour to Jordan, Ethiopia and Oman was also impacted by the very poor visibility at the Delhi airport. Prime Minister Modi was scheduled to leave at 8:30 a.m. sharp. However, it took off post 9:30 a.m., a delay of almost an hour. Flight operations have also been impacted in the national capital, with airlines in Delhi airport issuing advisory to people on the flight disruptions. The Indira Gandhi International Airport, sources say that around 40 flights have been cancelled for the day. Children, elderly, those with respiratory conditions have all been advised. That is the vulnerable category. People have all been advised to take special precautions at this given time. Meanwhile, stricter anti-pollution curbs also continue across Delhi NCR. Authorities invoke stage 4 of the graded action response plan. Further, the transport restrictions have also been tightened at this given point.
दिल्ली एनसीआर इस वक्त घने कोहरे की चादर से लिपटा हुआ है और इसका सीधा असर जो है वो हवाई यात्रा पर भी जो है वो देखने को मिल रहा है। अगर बात की जाए फ्लाइट रडार की, तो इस वक्त दिल्ली से जितनी भी उड़ानें हैं जो कि खास तौर पर उत्तर भारत की तरफ जाती हैं, उन उड़ानों पर खासा असर जो है वो देखने को मिल रहा है। लगभग 150 ऐसी फ्लाइट्स हैं जिन पर असर जो है वो देखने को मिल रहा है। ये फ्लाइट्स लगभग आधे घंटे से करीब 1.5 घंटे तक का जो इम्पैक्ट है वो देखने को मिल रहा है। इसके अलावा अगर बात की जाए अराइवल्स पर, उतना ज़्यादा खासा असर जो है वो नहीं देखने को मिल रहा है, लेकिन जो उड़ानें दिल्ली से उत्तर भारत कई हिस्सों की तरफ जा रही है, उन पर खासा असर जो है वो देखने को मिल रहा है। हालांकि एयर इंडिया की तरफ से एडवाइजरी भी जो है वो अपने पैसेंजर्स के लिए जारी की गई है, क्योंकि दिल्ली नहीं बल्कि पूरे उत्तर भारत के अंदर इस वक्त कोहरे की चादर जो है वो लिपटी हुई है और जिसका असर जो है वो सीधे तौर पर फ्लाइट्स के टेक ऑफ पर जो है वो पड़ता हुआ नजर आ रहा है। और अभी फिलहाल जिस तरीके से डेंस फॉग पूरे दिल्ली एनसीआर के अंदर छाया हुआ है, 100 मीटर के आसपास विजिबिलिटी जो है वो दर्ज की गई है, जिसके चलते इसका असर जो है उड़ान यात्रा पर भी जो है वो पड़ता हुआ फिलहाल जो है वो नजर आ रहा है। और लगभग 150 ऐसी फ्लाइट्स है जिस पर इसका असर जो है वो देखने को मिल रहा है।
One of the most severe situation of a thick layer of fog affecting the transportation medium across northern India, as we see the airline services affected, railways affected, and so is the visibility on the roadways. Look at this. 50 to 100 meter and beyond that range, nothing is visible. This is Delhi Meerut Highway, the road that is heading towards the national capital. All these vehicles are literally disappearing from the eyesight just around 100 meters of the distance. Right behind me on the other side is the Akshardham temple, and looks like a white curtain sheet has totally been covered. All the fog lamps of these vehicles on the national highway on, and the visibility is so affected that even a bright sun at 9 a.m. in the morning could clearly be seen through the naked eyes. The sunlight is so affected by the dense fog situation, and it is the pollutants, the high level of pollution and the fog is actually making a smog-like situation where the AQI is way above 500 meter across NCR, and the haze that we see is visible now because of the thick layer of fog will also disrupt the routine life, which is likely to continue for another 48 hours. At Delhi's Akshardham, with Satya, I'm Ashutosh Mishra for India Today.
Due to heavy dense fog, the visibility level in national capital has now dipped down to 50 meters. Right now, we are reporting from Kartavya Path, and here the visibility level has come down to a new low. You can see as to how the Rashtrapati Bhavan, which is barely 150 meters away from this very place, is not visible because of the dense fog which has now engulfed the entire North Indian region. You can see as to how people have come here in the morning, but yes, they are facing a problem in looking at Rashtrapati Bhavan. On my left hand side is the India Gate, which is also barely 80 to 100 meters away from here, and that is also visibly, that is also not visible from this very place from where I am reporting. So this shows as to how people are facing a lot of problem. At one side, the pollution level in Delhi is increasing day by day. AQI has crossed the mark of 500. On the other side, dense fog is also creating problem for the people. Around 150 flights have been impacted due to dense fog, and around 60 trains are running delayed due to the low visibility level. With video journalist Pawan Kumar, I'm Piyush Mishra in Delhi for India Today.